Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is on a Saturday. Yep, let's go see what's up. Yo guys, yo, I'm heading to get pups from Droneverse, and then we're gonna do some content, man. Stay tuned to check it out. Yo guys, I'm with pups from Droneverse and Tony. We are going to get you some awesome Yeah, so guys, we have arrived at our shooting location. Check this out. Guys, this is what we have to do to get you nice content. This is the Droneverse crew. This is what we are up to. This is what we have to do to get you great content.
Kiface ile side tu ndio inawaka.
Yo guys, Droneverse is linked below. If you want some awesome drone content, please click the link below. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.